This is... oh! Almost got myself killed. This now is 4K 24 FPS night video on the Xiaomi 13, guys. Night mode, you have the option only to choose 4K 24 FPS or FHD 1080p, again 24 FPS. Let's now try to zoom. I'm at 1 and I can go up to 6. Impressive. That's of course taken on the wide camera or the main camera. Okay. Let me just see how the stabilization is. I'm gonna do a slow run. Okay. Yeah, now we're getting hit by the light. Okay. 4K 24 FPS night video. Let me know what you think down below. I'm gonna shoot the same video in 4K 60 FPS without the night mode. One more time, a slow run to test the OIS of the camera. Okay. This now is 4K 60 FPS. Interesting fun fact, the Xiaomi 13 also has the option to reduce the frame rate in order to capture more light, exactly as the S22 Ultra. Of course, I have disabled this to just test the beauty of the 60 FPS. And what I want you guys to tell me is if you see any difference between this video, the 4K 60 FPS, and the night video, which is 4K, but then remember limited to only 24 FPS, 24 FPS versus 60. And now guys, let me do a slow run, okay, to test the stabilization. Okay. All right. From this test, guys, I can definitely say that the Xiaomi 13 doesn't handle like lens flares so good as the S22 Ultra. This can be also seen in the night photography. The S22 Ultra definitely is doing a better job minimizing the lens flare. Of course, it has a different lens setup. Okay. And now I'm gonna do another slow run going from the light to the dark and see the transition. And we are now in the dark, guys. Wow! And what a comparison is it, guys? It's definitely lighter, right? Wow! This is definitely better in terms of what you can see even here compared to the regular video that is also nice and 60 FPS, but definitely lower light. Okay, let me turn back the normal 4K 60 FPS video. Oh, wow, okay. I think the use case is absolutely proven, guys. Absolutely proven. Night video again. Jesus. Definitely more light has been captured. Definitely. Specifically here, guys. This can be seen and I can confirm this 100%. One more turn. Take a look at the car. I'm now going to turn back to the regular video. Yeah, absolutely dark. And you know what, guys? I'm going now to turn to the ultra wide. Surprisingly, the ultra wide is not capturing less light than the wide camera, which is on the main sensor. All right. One more time, I'm gonna go to the wide. Yeah. That's not bad. That's not bad indeed. But see the difference, guys, when I just turn back to the night video. Can I say that the difference is day and night? I think just too obvious. But that's also the reality. So far, really night video. It's not a gimmick. Definitely works. Of course, you need to sacrifice the frame rate, guys, and just get 24 FPS. But if you want to see something in the night, that's your only option. And now, guys, let me just stay here and also test. So this is here the night video camera. See and observe the bus. Alright, I'm gonna now turn to the regular video 4K 60. Okay, yep, definitely smoother because of the frame rate. So the observation is, if there is some light, if an artificial one, it's still doing a great job, the 4K 60 FPS. But if you go in a darker area, then you have no chance against the night video camera.